Each one of you have a different beak, and you're in a different environment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record you for 1 minute. Your task is to take your utensil and try and collect as much food as possible. Remember to do it as if you were a bird, only one item at a time. When you collect it, you put it into the cup. When you're done putting the cup, you may go get another. No pushing, no shoving, no stealing from somebody's cup. Does everybody understand? All right, your minute starts now.
No, we did not.
Stop! Utensils down! Clap your hands twice to hear my voice. Clap your hands 3 times to hear my voice. Okay, now, this is the tricky part, but I know you guys can do it. I want you to look and see what utensil you used. Find that column. So, like Jordan, he used tweezers. So he's going to find the tweezer column, which is at the very end. Then he's going to try and find his food. He was picking up worms, so he's going to find worms. He's going to count how many worms he got and put it in the tweezer worm box.
I
only got one. Which one did you have? Smallmouth? It was hard to get fish, huh? Right. Bite of the fish one.
Hey, Jordan, high five.
So you had a spoon, right? So you're going to find your spoon, and you had a fish.
You would have had
Clap your hands twice. Clap your hands 3 times. Raise your hand if you did not get your stuff recorded yet. All right, this is what I'd like you to do. Trade your beak with somebody in your group that has a so you have a different beak. Different beak. Clap your hands twice. Clap your hands twice. Does everybody have a different beak?
Yeah.
You do not have a different beak? Okay, we need to mix it around so he has a different beak. Right, but have you had a small binder cup before? Have you had a small binder cup before? Let's switch you 2 for right now, and then you can get the next one. Okay, everybody ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Avery, why are you having trouble?
I can't fit it in my mouth.
Why is it getting easy? Make sure to be grabbing 1 at a time.
I got 0.
Hey, I would like you to exchange your beat with somebody else in your group. Clap your hands twice. Has Jada had a spoon before? Have you had a spoon before? Have you had a spoon before? Have you had a spoon before?
Me neither.
Huh? Yes?
Have you guys all before? Well, if there was
So,
I
how?
she had it right here.
You did a spoon? Okay, Jada, you did which two? Minor clip and spoon. And Lucas, which have you done? Well, Jada, we'll send this one out.
You're not going to use little spoons.
Or actually,
Only when that time you just start.
I see lots of people not being focused on tasks. This will go a lot faster if we can do this. I didn't say to collect them in your can yet. So sad that everybody over there in that group shouldn't be. Does everybody have a new utensil except for Jada? Okay. Jade, you have the same one again? Those who have the same one, I want you to do it again with that same utensil just because it'll keep the environment the same. So we're not changing the environment. There's still 5 of you going to eat it. But you just won't record it into your stats. Okay? Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Stop. Hey, you need to count how many are in your cup and record. Which big type is best for you, Cody? Clap your hands once, hear my voice. Clap your hands twice. See, let's hurry up. Everybody else is ready. Hey, everyone have recorded and switch their utensils? Alright, here we go. On your marks. Get set. Go.
I can't. I got it. That's This is the dog. The dog. That's the elephant. No, this is the elephant. That's the dog. That's the waste. Stop.
Your pencils down, your beaks are down. Count up your stuff. Let's go. You haven't done it yet?
I almost had 5 zeros.
5 minutes, let's get my voice. 5 minutes, let's get my voice. Okay, I want you to listen carefully. If you have not received a utensil, this is the last time. So you want to make sure you get that utensil that you have not had yet. Those who have all 4, please listen. I understand this is fun, but you still need to learn. See through. Where should your eyes be? Thank you. If you have all 4 recorded, I still want you to perform the experiment again, but you're not going to record anything on your data sheet. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Remember, one at a time. Remember, one at a time.
Yes, it is. I didn't get one at a time. Oh, I got 2. JD, get this. I don't know.
Stop. Record your data and get your area prepared for the next group to move.
Water's a mess. Yeah, someone splashed me with water. I got 4. I got 4. I got 8.
Okay, 5 rounds once, hear my voice. 5 rounds twice. Okay, before we move, I want to discuss over here with the fish. Which utensil worked best with the fish? Jada, for you, which one worked best for you? The tweezers work best for you? Okay, what worked best for you, Keegan? The tongs work best for him. Avery, what works best for you?
Tongs and then tweezers are all the same.
Okay. Abigail?
My best was tweezers.
Tweezers. Okay, did anybody find the best with the binder clip over here?
About 7.
Was it very good?
No.
No. Why wasn't the binder clip, listen please, why wasn't the binder clip very good with the fish, Gina?
Because it was small and it couldn't open its beak very good.
That's right. It's really small, can't open its beak very good. Why were we having some issues with the spoon? Lucas?
Other birds either kept coming in and stealing, or they just kept slipping out.
Okay, other birds would come down and stab it and steal it, right? And then you lost your food. Okay, let's go over here to the worms. Mouths are quiet still, eyes are over here. Worms. What was the best beak for the worms? Xander.
I'd say the tongs, because they could grab it easy.
worms with your tongs? Which one did you get the most worms with?
Well, I got 2. Tweezers and tongs.
We're both at 12?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Rick, which one was the best for you?
Tongs.
Tongs? Jordan?
I got the same on tongs and tweezers.
Okay, so tweezers and tongs are really good for the worms. Why didn't the binder clip work well?
Because it barely got it.
Okay, the mouth was too small. And why not the spoon?
Because it slipped out.
Couldn't quite get a hold of it.
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's go over here to the raisins. Kylie, which utensil worked best for your raisins?
I would say
Which one had the most raisins on
the
it?
tongs.
The tongs worked really well with the raisins. Mia, which one did work for you? Tweezers. Brenna?
Tweezers.
Tweezers. Hayden? Tweezers. Now, I noticed when you guys were working over here, some of you were sitting there grabbing it, but Hayden had a different method. Hayden, how did you get your raisins? He sat there and he poked them. Do you think some birds do that with their stuff?
Yes, that's very true.
You bet. And Hayden, when you poked them, were you able to get them faster than if somebody else was grabbing them?
So you did
Okay, good. Let's go over here to the seed group. Caroline, which beak worked best for you with the seeds?
I have to say the tweezers.
Tweezers, okay. Jacob?
I would say spoon and
Spoon and tweezers? Oh, tongs and tweezers? Okay, the tongs and tweezers. How about you, Brayden?
the spoon and the
With your spoon, were you taking one at a time?
it's hard.
Were you taking one at a time?
It was hard.
So were you taking one at a time? No, so your spoon probably wasn't an accurate guess for us, right? So probably the tongs, okay? Keelan, how about you? Tongs. Tongs, okay. Why wouldn't the spoon be very good for the seeds? Keegan.
Get too much every time.
Well, the spoon wouldn't be accurate because you're scooping too much at a time. But could you pick one at a time? No. No, you probably couldn't. Okay, then I'll have you stop recording that way.